How to put a GIF in your Steam profile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can put a GIF in your Steam profile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Steam and log in into your account. After you do that, hover over your username right here and then head over to your profile settings. After you're on your profile, if you scroll down right here, you should see an option called artwork. Head over to artwork, and after you're there, what you'll need to do is upload artwork. Right here you can search a game or not a game specific artwork, and right here you can give it a title. I'll just put it GIF and then choose a file. Now head over to the location where you have your GIF. So let me just head over there, and this is the one. And now you can add a description. And after doing that, all you need to do is tap on save and continue. After doing that, you must certify that this is your artwork before you publish it. So make sure that you check this box right here and then tap on save and continue. After doing that, your artwork will be now on your assist or on your profile. As you can see right here, they will analyze this automated content, and yeah, just wait for it to get approved, and then you're good to go. And that's how you put artwork or a GIF in your profile in Steam. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.